Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Danny G. If you're new here, thank you for checking out my channel for the first time. And if you're going back, thank you so much for coming back. So for today's video, I have an unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing these shoes that I got from Orthofeet. The reason why I got it, if you guys did not know, I recently graduated from the PN program, Practical Nursing, and I eventually got licensed and I'm about to start work. So I was like, you know what, I need good shoes to do this job. So I went on Google and just Googled best nursing shoes or whatever, and then I found these. I was like, you know what, let's check it out. So this is what it came like, and now I'm going to open the box. We're gonna get right into it. Let me take this paper out. That's my info. So this is what it looks like as soon as you open the box. And now we don't need that. We're going to open up the shoe box. Okay, so this is what we get. First, we have this kit. I guess it's it's an arch booster, which is really nice. And then they give you a little like brochure with information and explanation. And then we have, I'm guessing, some extra insoles. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's nice. And then these are the shoes itself. To be honest, this color combination is not the best to me because, one, I do not like purple, and I was like, yeah, but it was the only combination that has mostly black in it. Well, I think it was the only one. So I got it because, one, it is slip resistant at the bottom, and then the top, I don't think it's leather or anything like that, but it is like a very easy wipe off material, which I thought was great. Oh, and I was right, these are just extra insoles if you need them, if you want them. By the way, I got a size 11.5 because of my left toe. My left toe, for some reason, the middle toe is longer than usual. So I was like, you know what, to make sure it's comfortable this time, I am going to take the half size, which I loved about that. Another thing, the price point, original price, I think it is over $100, but at that time it was on sale. Plus I added a 10% off because of healthcare worker discount. So I thought that was great. And this is the current insole that's inside of it. It has a little cushiony thing right here, and then second part here, and then the third part. So I'm just going to try them on so we can see. Oh, nice, very flexible in the front, which I like. And then the other ones, same thing. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. But yeah, they are from Orthofeet. Hopefully I like. And we're gonna give it a go.
Easy, easy.
All right, you guys, so one of the selling points for me was that it is water resistant, and here I am testing it to make sure that is true. I poured quite a bit of water on my toes, like the toe box, and it stayed dry. My toes were dry, my socks were dry, everything was dry, which is great, which I love, because where I work at, it floods sometimes. So walking in that flood, it kept my toes dry. But anyways, you guys, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.